Hello everyone, my name is Austin McFarland and my partner Hannah Fischer could not be here, but she is going to finish this presentation for us. And we are in group 1 and today we'll be looking at the job role Product Marketing Manager with the company Allergan. It is a medical company that sells branded or pharmaceutical and off-brand medications. And the reason we chose this company is because Hannah actually has experience working there and we both are studying marketing in our degrees. So we thought it'd be very interesting and a fun position to study. So basically what a product marketing manager is they are the one who is responsible over the brand image, branding, basically day in and day out marketing operations that come with the product. And so some of the responsibilities that come with being a product marketing manager are they are in charge of managing new and existing products and ensuring that their brand is kept up with the brand image, because if it's not in line and if the media gets offset, then it all comes down on the product marketing manager's shoulder. They are also the day in and day out contact through agency partners, so if there's a complication with branding, if there's a complication with the product that is somewhat portrayed incorrectly, then they go to the product marketing manager. They support the development and execution of quantitative and qualitative research. So basically this is done through surveys, through questionnaires, through product reviews, and they take all that information and analysis, put it into a pivot table in Excel, and they analyze the data to help them better understand how they can market their product more efficiently and more correctly. So a couple more responsibilities that come with being a product marketing manager is they assist with the development of campaigns. So you have your product marketing manager who is over that product marketing and branding, and you have your team who is over the campaigns and how they're going to portray those campaigns. And basically they work hand in hand to make sure that the campaigns are following through with the correct guidelines and what exactly that product marketing manager would like to get across with his branding and with his message. They provide input into the brand positioning and target audience. So basically they work, like I said, day in, day out with multiple teams and agencies to ensure that all goals are being met and all guidelines are being followed. They also are very big on innovation. So anybody can go and put a label around medicine and call it ibuprofen, but what matters is how they put that label on there, what they put into it. So the more innovative you are, the better. And basically you can't just come out with one design or one product and be done with it. So they do multiple different tests, various tests, to ensure that their product is going to be the best product on the market before they release it. So for our job analysis method, we had 5 choices to choose from, which were job performance, which is hands-on working, observation, where we go in and study some of the employees and see how exactly they complete their job. Also interview, which would be to interview an employee of the company, ask them what they do on a daily basis and how they do it. Critical incidents, which is kind of where brief reports through current employees. So it's more or less like an interview, except it's them talking to us, not us talking to them. And then also structured questionnaires, which I think we could use structured questionnaires also with our surveys and whatnot to figure out how to better market our product. But anyways, we chose to do the observation method because we felt this was most suitable considering Hannah had experience working there. So she was in that environment for a little while and she actually got to interact and experience with the product marketing manager. So I think it's one of the easiest methods too, because it's really easy to sit back and not interfere with anyone, but take a lot of notes. And you can use those notes to your advantage to learn what the position is, how to complete the position, what is required of the position, and just exactly how to get to that position. So thank you for listening, and Hannah will finish this PowerPoint.
Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Fischer and my partner Austin talked earlier about what a product marketing manager is and their exact responsibilities, as well as the observation analysis that we decided to conduct. So our company that we chose was Allergan, and they are well known for having product marketing managers that have specific products and territories that they market to. So a little bit about the company. Allergan was founded by Dr. Alan Chow, who is has a PhD in physical pharmacy and decided to pursue this career in developing pharmaceutical products and different medical products that can be sold and distributed throughout the world. The current CEO and chairman, Britton L. Saunders, is stationed mainly in Parsippany Troy Hills, New Jersey, but also has a headquarter facility in Dublin, Ireland. The company actually is present in over 100 countries worldwide and has the #1 best-selling cosmetic procedure in the world, which is Botox Cosmetics. They also have products including a way to grow eyelashes, make them fuller and thicker, breast implants, and weight loss products. Allergan product marketing managers start out with a salary from $143,000 to $155,000. They are required to have strong strategic and analytical leadership with exceptional communication skills, as well as a capability to develop and present integrated marketing techniques, value propositions, target market messaging, and measurement plans, which basically means they are required to run a team of marketers and present a product well to a target market. So going into different doctors' offices, going into medical spas and day spas, and presenting the information well, while also targeting the actual consumer. They do anything from TV commercials to actually going and doing face-to-face meetings, explaining the product to the doctors and the actual aesthetic nurses and that kind of thing that actually do the procedures. They do a lot of trade shows and that kind of thing, to where you can actually see the products, hold the products, and see the way that they are used and utilized. The actual position requires 5 years of product marketing experience, and an MBA is preferred but not required. The girl that I actually got to shadow didn't have her MBA, but she had a lot of prior experience in the industry, which helped her a lot. I got to shadow her and kind of see what she's been working on lately, and she is actually working on Cool Sculpting, which is one of their newer products, which is the only FDA approved fat freezing procedure that actually makes you lose fat as well as making it last. So it was a really cool experience, and it's actually a really cool company because it is worldwide. So here's a list of some other companies that are needing product marketing managers. I just went on LinkedIn and picked the most recognizable names and industries. And as you can see, it's like Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft. So it's all really big companies that are all looking for product marketing managers. And just to name a few. So even though these are big companies, there are plenty of little companies that are looking for the same job. So product marketing managers are in high demand, and it's increasing the more companies that are coming up, and the more people realize how important marketing is for your company. So thank you very much for listening to our presentation.